Hi, I'm Lyndsey, Afar's Senior Commerce Editor. The Away Bigger Carry-On has been my go-to bag for the last 5 years. Here's my full review. I chose the bigger carry-on, which maxes out the limits of what a carry-on bag can be, but at 7.4 pounds it doesn't weigh me down. Though it's slightly larger than domestic carrier carry-on restrictions, it fits in the overhead bins of most planes in the United States, save for a few smaller regional jets. However, this bag is much larger than many international carriers allow, so you might want to size down to the standard Away carry-on. Inside, the bag has storage for everything I need for most week-long trips. The bag unzips like a traditional clamshell suitcase and has 2 larger compartments on each side. The left side has a mesh zippered closure to keep loose items like toiletry bags and shoes secured when you close the bag. The right side, where I keep my clothes, is secured with a mesh compression system that packs down bulky items. Inside a small zippered compartment, there's also a laundry bag for keeping your clothes separate during your trip. The polycarbonate exterior is available in a rainbow of matte finish colors, including blush, black, green, and several shades of blue. Away is also known for launching seasonal and limited edition collections, so it'll be rare to have anyone confuse your bag for theirs. If you're not going to clean your bag after each trip, I'd avoid the lighter colors, since dirt does show up easily on these. The bag comes with a TSA-approved combination lock, as well as YKK zippers and Hinomoto wheels, arguably the highest quality wheels in the luggage industry, and made with ball bearings to ensure an ultra-smooth ride. The handle can be extended to multiple heights and comes in and out smoothly without getting jammed. Away's limited lifetime warranty is also legitimate. After getting shoved into the bottom of a stack of suitcases in a car to the airport, my bag developed a 3-inch crack in one corner, which would have been a major con. However, Away's customer service team responded to my email within the hour and had my replacement carry-on shipped out within a week, free of charge. Although my bag did crack after several years of frequent use, Away's lifetime warranty is legit, and its customer service team is so efficient that I'm glad I invested my money in this product. And at under $300, it's a great deal compared to other brands that offer similar level of quality in their hardshell spinner bags. Thanks for watching this video by Afar. Please remember to hit that like button on your way out and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration.